Uncomfortable things that will make you more successful. Doing uncomfortable things is difficult, mainly because they put you in a position where you aren't comfortable. It's hard to follow through on tasks when you aren't comfortable. The harsh truth is, sometimes these uncomfortable things can make you more successful, especially if you do the following 3 things. 1. Develop healthy habits. Have you ever seen a successful person that stays in bed all day and eats nothing but junk food? Exactly, they don't exist. The number 1 uncomfortable thing you have to do if you want to be more successful is to develop healthy habits. These healthy habits include getting out of bed earlier, eating healthy, and exercising at some point during the day. These things aren't fun, but they must be done if you want to be successful. Start developing these habits right away because your old habits aren't good for you anyway. 2. Taking risks. What do you consider successful? Do you want a different career or live in a different city? Why haven't you done it yet? You are probably still in your current situation because doing either of the above would involve taking a risk. Taking a risk can be scary and quite uncomfortable at times. However, if you never take a risk, you will never be successful because you will remain exactly where you are. This applies to money as well. Many people think it is safer to store their money in a savings account, or maybe not save at all. But if you can invest your money in something riskier, like your own business or stocks, this could lead you on the road to success. You just have to take a risk to get there. 3. Admitting you've made a mistake. This is a tough one, but everyone makes mistakes at some point in their life, and it is uncomfortable to admit that you may have. When you admit to someone you made a mistake, this shows responsibility and increases the person's respect for you. This can take you a long way in the business world. It can also help you mend friendships and network more efficiently, because people will see you as the type of person they want to associate and work with on a professional and personal level. Are you ready to be successful? Then it's time to take note of the above 3 uncomfortable things that you will need to be able to handle before you can be successful. If you can manage these 3 things, then success is probably right around the corner.